down. I'm feeling light, super light. Oh my god, I'm falling! Have you ever noticed that when a lift is going down, you feel light, and when it is going up, you feel heavy? Why does it happen? In 1907, Einstein asked this simple question, and it took him to the path of general relativity, perhaps the most important discovery in the entire human history. All our understanding about the incredible phenomena like Big Bang or black hole started from a simple elevator going up and down. But before going into more detail, let's do what Galileo taught us 4 centuries back. Let's try to measure the effect experimentally. First, let's get into a lift. Now, I am on the 46th floor inside the lift. This weighing machine here, it is going to measure my weight as the lift goes down or up. Now this lift, it can go down very fast. So I need to take some serious precautions in case something happens, Lift is going down. I'm already feeling light. Oh yeah, my weight is going down. It is going down, down, down. I'm feeling light, super light. Oh my god, I'm falling! Lift is going up. I am already feeling heavy. It is really heavy now. Feels like someone is on my shoulder. Feeling light again. Thank God. It's normal again. Now, you have seen that when the lift was going down, my weight decreased. And it again increased when the lift was going up. But was it really? Does the earth pull less when the lift goes down? You obviously know the answer. The earth doesn't. My friend Debojyoti, who was measuring the acceleration of the lift from outside, will tell me that my weight didn't change. He is a static observer. A static observer would say that the earth is pulling me with the same force. When there is no acceleration, I am applying a weight mg, which is 72 kg times g on the weighing machine. So the reading of the weighing machine will be 72 kg. The weighing machine is also applying the same force mg according to the third law. Now when the lift goes upward with an acceleration a, according to the second law, there will be an additional force F is equal to ma by the weighing machine. So according to the third law, I must apply the same additional force ma on the weighing machine. So its value increased. The weight reading will be F by G, which is mg plus ma divided by g, which is equal to 72g plus 72a divided by g, which is 72 plus 72a by g. Makes sense? But what about my point of view inside the lift? I don't know whether or not the lift is actually accelerating. Now you would say, I can simply know that by looking outside. But what if there is no window in the lift? What if the lift is in deep, dark space and I have nothing outside? How can I know that I am accelerating? Well, you can argue that I would feel a force ma, and that must be the conclusive evidence for my acceleration. But what if it is not due to acceleration but due to the gravity of a black hole? Can I differentiate between them? Before 1907, no human being even tried to ask this question. It took the incredible curiosity of Albert Einstein to raise this question. He discovered that there is no way to distinguish between a lift going up with constant acceleration and a gravitational field with constant gravitational acceleration. The observer in the lift will think that it's gravity. Einstein described it as the happiest thought of his life. Now, to summarize, a static observer would get the extra ma due to Newton's third law, but someone inside the lift will feel that the gravity has increased. Never stop enjoying physics. See you in the next video.